What does the term LMAO mean in Roblox?
Hey there, Roblox enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the world of Roblox lingo. If you've ever wondered what the term LMAO means in Roblox, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the meaning and usage of LMAO within the Roblox community. So, let's get started.
What does LMAO stand for?
The term LMAO is an abbreviation commonly used in online communication, including Roblox. LMAO stands for laughing my ass off. It is an expression used to indicate that something is incredibly funny or amusing.
How is LMAO used in Roblox?
In Roblox, LMAO is often used in chat messages, in-game conversations, and various forms of communication. Players may use LMAO to respond to funny situations, jokes, or humorous comments made by others. For example, if a friend tells a funny joke in Roblox, you might respond with LMAO to indicate that you found it hilarious.
Other similar expressions.
While LMAO is a popular abbreviation, there are other similar expressions you may come across in Roblox and other online platforms. Here are a few of them. LOL. This stands for laughing out loud and is used to indicate laughter or amusement. ROFL. This stands for rolling on the floor laughing and signifies extreme laughter. Haha. This is an onomatopoeic expression representing laughter. It's worth noting that the usage of these expressions may vary among individuals and communities. Some players might prefer one abbreviation over another, so don't be surprised if you encounter different variations. And there you have it. The meaning of LMAO in Roblox is laughing my ass off. It's a commonly used expression to convey extreme laughter or amusement. Remember, LMAO is just one of many abbreviations and expressions used within the Roblox community. Understanding these lingo terms can help enhance your communication and make your interactions more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!